Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on your Android device. Let's jump right in. Just open your settings. Now scroll down and click on Additional Settings. Now you'll notice that there are no developer options available directly. Go back and tap on About Phone. Now tap on MIUI version about 5 to 7 times. Now the developer options are available. Scroll down again and select Additional Settings. Select Developer Options, and now your developer options are enabled. You can easily access additional settings within developer options. And thanks for watching. I hope this helped you enable your developer options with ease. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.